Hey, I'm Fish. Thank you for joining me on this wonderful day. Oh, you know where we're heading? To the soup. What is the soup, you say? It's the bay going to dunk a number of things in the water. You bet. It's the DJI Action 3 200% close. I just want to make sure, yes, the top is nice and secured and closed. I don't love that O-ring that's in there. And I got a smartphone I'm going to dunk. And I'm going to film it with the GoPro Hero 10 above water because it's afraid to go get wet. Now, one of the things I don't love about the DJI magnetic mount, it ain't water friendly, meaning I don't trust it. What would happen if the clip broke or the clips? Will I lose my camera? So I got a magnet on there for sure, and I'm gonna retrieve it if it falls off. You're gonna have to pay attention because when the camera goes in and comes out, the amorphic lens is supposed to not cause any drips, teardrops. You got it, stains on the video. We're gonna hear people complain, oh, it's not in focus, I can't see. Well, they're not complaining about water damage or anything happening underwater yet. I will be the first, and the only one to dunk the camera first. Oh, it's time to set up, get things going, and take things out. It's time to dress up. Man up, DJI. GoPro's too sissy to be with you. And what we're going to be filming today is a double review. Oh yeah. A very expensive smartphone and a weight, and see what we can see. Here you go. Put your gear on. I have to go make sure my settings are correct for scuba. And I also got to remember to wash my baby off with soap and water. With fresh water, that is. Into the salty sea we go. I'm still recording. And we have to stop recording. Maybe I could turn the light on and see what we can look at. See what's down there. Oh, to all that goes in the water. Your DJI is not waterproof anymore. Oh my Lord. I gotta now take this bad boy off. And this thing was nice and tight. Water got inside. There's the ring. What to do? I'm gonna worry. Oh yes, indeed. Don't panic. Your camera's fine. Look, let me hit the on and off button for you. I gotta get this off scuba diving. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Swipe down, come here, go to scuba dive, shut it off. What a poor plan, man. You see any water in my camera? Not at all. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, the reason why we improperly dunked our camera how we put a ring on. Lay it on. There is a groove. Make sure it falls into that groove first. Then get all this water out. And then take this and twist it on. I'll get that water out later. When we take this off, that's the correct way it stays in. Important tip to all: when you get your first camera, the DJI Action 3, that lens protector is going to be really on there lock solid. But if you dunk your camera and you get water inside, it's because that O-ring came that way from the company, not correctly installed. Please make sure that O-ring goes on the base of the camera in its proper groove and the lens secured fully tight. Here I am, 20 minutes later, still vlogging with you on a perfect working camera. I can hear the beeps loud because I put them on medium. I think I, just wanted to put that out there. Has water gotten into the microphones? I don't know. Has it gotten into the speaker? I don't know. I will be the first to tell you. Dunk your camera in the soup to find out. Oh man, nice and tight. Place it on the ground. Give it a little water. But before I do that, I want to take it all off. I want to take the clips off. And now I want to wet it down. I want to take my soapy pad and I want to wash it up nice and clean. Then I want to do this because this is no way in hell gonna last forever. Again, wash it and rinse it. Get all the soap and water off. I feel that's nice and clean. Oh, nice and clean. And now I'm going to let this bad boy dry and then take that off. And I'm going to show you what I'm going to do. I'm going to take this off. I need to get some dry hands. I'm going to take this off. Make sure the water don't get on it. I'm going to take the rubber to the side and put this. I don't need to put it in. I'm just going to take water because I got salt in there. Clean it up. Shake it out. Then I'm going to take all this. Oh yes indeed. Place it on the grill. Oh, look at that. My door was open out of nowhere. So I am going to open up my doors, pull the battery because the battery area is already dry. And I'm going to leave my camera here for a few minutes. That's already hot. So what I am going to do is I'm going to put my battery in. And I am going to start my camera. And I'm going to put some wood in and see if it burns. But before I do that, what I want to do is I want to turn this glass this way for a few. Let the bad boy just dry out. Boo-hoo. Boo-hoo. So I do got a little haze, a little problem. A number of days when that's perfectly dry, and when my camera is dry that I can hear my beeps, because the beeps are no longer loud, if you ask me. Oh, boo-hoo. 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 So I do got a little haze, a little problem. It is what it is.
Matt and Elliot, our military couple from Queensland.
GoPro, you're no sissy. You are the smart one. Well, we're going to shut this down. Listen to the sounds. They're back to normal. I'm going to record a video for you. Oh, look how nice and clear it is right here. Perfect, man. You can see my thumb, nice and perfect. Now, how did I get the water out of it? Now, how did I get the water out of the camera? Let me tell you. It's not just putting it in the barbecue. It's about putting the camera on 4K, 120, plugging it in, and letting it run. Let it overheat, let it shut down, because it's still gonna go on and the screen's gonna go off. Just let it go, let it shut down, and then hit the record again and continue. Take the lens, if you get water in it, lay it on the top. And when you do that, it takes about an hour for all of it to evaporate. But the speaker on top is going to take a little longer. That's the speaker.
And once the water gets out of the speaker, it will dry. This is not your GoPro killer camera. The DJI Action 3 is a great camera, but underwater, that is your choice. On that note, thank you for viewing.